So, since medyo nasayahan ako, parang na-enjoy ko yung length of arc, dinamihan ko yung example. So, last 3 na talaga to guys. Promise. Okay? So, tingnan muna natin yung first example natin, which is ito. So, given sa atin, kita na natin agad the given si radius. So, you can find this actually sa book, page 108, sa ating number 2 na sasagutan. Okay. So, dito nakikita natin na given naman si radius. Ang kailangan lang natin hanapin is yung value or the measure of the arc APB. Okay? So, since given na si radius which is 7 cm. So, dito, apply natin. Since meron tayong central angle which is O, center, may diameter tayo. Okay? So, diameter, hinahati nyo yung dalawa into 180, diba? So, since ito, A, P, B, buong yan, basically ito yung sinasabi niya, yan. So, 180. 180 yan yung value niya. Okay? So, 180 over 360 times 2 multiplied by 7. It's 7. Okay? So, 7 pi centimeters yung length of arc. Length of arc APB. Next naman is dito. Okay, tignan nyo saglit. So, we have DN 30. Ay, 30. 30 nga. 30. Akala ko 50. So, 30 to 30. Okay, dito nakikita nyo nasa center siya. So, meaning that is a diameter. That's not a radius. Okay. So, medyo marami-rami yung hahanapin natin. Since 40 diameter yan, para mahanap yung radius, ang gagawin natin is 40 divided by 2 or 40 multiplied by 1/2. So, magiging 20. 20. Okay? So, meron na tayong radius agad. Okay. And dito naman, ang pinapahanap sa atin ay yung arc or yung the length of arc J, K, L. Yan. Okay? So, since ito, meron tayong central angle, this is a diameter, hinahati niya to into 2 equal semicircle. This is 180. Since ito sakop niya, yan, malaki. So, kasama to si 30. So, 180 plus 30, we have 210. 210 over 360. Okay? 210 over 360 multiplied by 2 times 20. We have 23.33. Yeah, 5 centimeters. So, last example for our video or sa lesson natin ng central angle and intercepted arc. No? Here, na-mention ko kanina na pag ganito yung case natin, equal yan. Diba? So, pag ganyan yung case natin, magiging equal ito, and then ito, equal, and then ito, equal. Pag ganyan yung case natin. Okay? Which is, ganyan talaga. Okay? So, since ang pinapahanap sa atin is the arc PO, which is dito sa baba. Ayan. Okay? So, ito ay 50. So, equal yan sila. So, ito ay 50. 360. Okay? Yung radius natin is 15 kasi nakahanap naman siya sa side. Okay. So, 50 over 360 times 2. So, we have 4.16. 5 centimeters. So, that's it for our video. Again, remember kung paano tayo remember lang natin yung mga key points natin na napag-aralan natin. So, yung buong circle na yan, that is 360. ang diameter natin, nahati yan sila kay 180, di ba? Yan. Okay. Ngayon, we have what we call central angle. Central angle natin yung angle na nahanap sa center. Yung central angle natin, yung measurement niya is equal to its intercepted arc. Yung intercepted arc niya, yung kaharap niya, yung opposite niya na angle. Okay, ay naka-opposite niya na arc. Okay? So, kung ito ay 10, ito rin ay 10. Kung ito ay 20, ito rin ay 20. Basta, it's a central angle. Next. Okay. So, sinasabi rin, yan yung postulate number 1. Sinasabi rin dito sa postulate number 2 kapag yung angles na magkatabi. No? Kunyari, ito ay 20, ito ay 20. Yung sum nila ay magiging, it's equal to the measure of the large angle, which is, kung ganito yung case niya, magiging 40. So, sinasabi dito, let's say, OABC. So, the angle AOB plus the angle BOC, they are equal to angle AOC. Okay, kapag inad mo daw ito dito, ang magiging sum nila ay itong malaki. Okay? Ulit. So, kapag inad mo to, plus, inad mo siya dito, ang magiging sum nila ay yung malaking yan. Okay? Ang magiging sum nila ay yung malaking yan. Right? So, ayan. That's what I'm trying to say.